How about we do this one? We'll do this one. Okay, so I think I'm going to turn my paper this direction. And I was going to do one with sunglasses, but I thought, let's do this one. Okay, let's kind of start on the nose this direction. We're going to go down a little bit like that and around and up. Then we're going to go down a little bit right there. There's a little tiny, tiny tongue sticking out. A little tiny tongue. Now we're going to go down here. Okay, so now we're going to go up this direction. Then we got the tiniest little ears. Okay, so I'm going to do some hair this direction. We're going to take this up like that and around. Then we're going to go down and then around like this. And then we're going to go, we got some feet here, some little feeders. Okay, we're going to do that one and up and then over and then up and then out and up like that. And now we're going to do around like that and then down, up, over, up, and then over and then up like that. Now we've got a tiny, the tiniest of leg right here. It looks like three little tiny legs. Now, so we're going to do some fur right in here, right in there. Now we've got a tiny little foot showing over here. There's just a little tiniest bit of foot showing. Now we're going to add in some fur. We want to add fur in. Well, let me add the eye in first. We're going to put an eye in like this. Now this is the capybara. If I said it right, capybara, capybara. We're going to draw a nose right there like that. Does it look pretty good? Does that look about right? Capybara. Okay, and so I'm going to do, I need to do a little bit of adding some fur around here like that. Add fur there. Then we're going to add a little bit of fur down around like this. Uh-oh, I messed up a little bit. We're going to add eyelashes on. And so we've got some whiskers. Whiskers like that. And then some whiskers coming out right here like that. And we're adding some little hairs like this. Adding little hairs. And there's just a tiny bit of hairs down and around like that. Okay, there's the capybara. What do you think? What do you think? It's beautiful. It is really cute, actually. That'll be fun. I need to actually I should write it down so I remember what animal it is. You want me to draw flamingo next? I could draw a flamingo. I could draw that out pretty quick. Draw a flamingo next. Let me see what it... Okay, so let's recap here. We've got these three creatures that we drew. And now a flamingo. We're going to do a flamingo.